Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete hosted app data. Let's say I want to delete that on my Opera GX. So what I need to do is from the home menu, you click at the sidebar. Now make sure this sidebar has the settings icon. In case you don't see it because sometimes it's hidden, what you do is that you click on the three dots at the side. Three dots at the bottom to open up the sidebar setup, and once you click on it, then you scroll down till you see Opera Tools, and then you make sure the settings is marked. Then you can go back and click on the gear icon, and then you scroll all the way down until you see delete browsing data, and then sometimes to show up as basic here, which is three things, but that's not what we need. So you click on the advanced, and then scroll all the way down till you see hosted app data. Mark it. And next thing, you're going to decide your time range. You want it to be deleted within the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Choose the one you want, and once you're done choosing it, then you click on delete data. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.